हेलो बच्चों, प्रॉब्लम कहता है लेट f from -1 to 0 to 2 is a linear function which is on to then fx is. हमें गिवन है that fx is a linear function in this interval और वो function on to function भी है और on to function is a function where range and codomain are equal, means the range of this function should be 0 to 2. So start करते हैं प्रॉब्लम. Let fx is a linear function, so let it be ax plus b. Now since fx is onto, so therefore range of this function is equal to codomain of this function, which is from 0 to 2. यहाँ पर दो पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती हैं. The first possibility is that f of -1 equal to 0 and f of 1 equal to 2. अगर हम f of -1 को 0 लेते हैं, then it will be minus a plus b equal to 0 and it is a plus b equal to 2, which means that both a and b are equal to 1. So therefore the function fx is 1 plus x. And the second possibility is that f of -1 is 2 and f of 1 is equal to 0. Now f of -1 अगर 2 है means minus a plus b is equal to 2 and f of 1 is 0 means a plus b equal to 0. दोनों इक्वेशन से अगर हम दोनों इक्वेशंस को ऐड करें then we get b equal to 1 and a equal to -1. So the function can be minus x plus 1. So only दो linear functions possible हैं. The function may be either x plus 1 or the function may be minus x plus 1. So the final answer to this problem is that option A and option B are the correct options. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.